Here's an on-the-go cup for toddlers. Hi, I'm Tammy with TTPM here with the MAM Sports Cup, an 11-ounce plastic sippy cup for kids 12 months and up. It features a hard spout that's similar to a sports cap on a water bottle, except it doesn't need to be pulled open. Kids simply lift and suck from the bottle. A patented valve system, which prevents the liquid from spilling out, can also be removed for free flow drinking. We tried it out and had a very minor leakage, but it was just residue from the last sip we took, not the inner liquid leaking out. There are 3 parts to the top plus a plastic cover, but we found them easy to take apart, clean, and put back together, unlike some other sippy cups on the market. The tops can also be interchanged with other MAM sippy cups if kids prefer a softer spout. The sports cup was designed with a unique curved shape, making it easier for kids to hold. It's a good option for travel or use at home. 2 styles are available, and this design features a superhero. For where to buy and current prices, find us at TTPM and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more reviews every day.